The 14th Dalai Lama arrived in Ladakh on Saturday, and he is likely to stay in the cold desert for nearly a month. During his stay in Ladakh, the Tibetan spiritual leader will reside at the Shiva Tsel Phodrang in Leh. This visit has sparked a wave of happiness and enthusiasm in the Ladakh, and elaborate preparations have been made by the Ladakh administration. Upon his arrival, His Holiness was received with ceremonial honors and warm greetings by the representatives of several religious and cultural outfits. This is his first visit to Ladakh in the last 2 years, and security arrangements were really heightened, ensuring a smooth and safe reception. He arrived in Ladakh on an Indian Air Force aircraft and was accorded Z+ security. In Ladakh, a bicycle awareness expedition aiming to promote the environmental conservation, sustainable tourism and healthy lifestyles was flagged off today from the historic Iqbal Bridge in Kargil. The additional Deputy Commissioner Kargil, Imtiaz Kaju, was the chief guest at the flag-off ceremony. Range Officer Kargil, Vilayat Ali, along with the other officials, well-wishers and local cycling enthusiasts were also present to support the initiative. Speaking on the occasion, ADC Imtiaz Kaju appreciated the efforts of Imtiaz Nazrana and his team for taking such a noble initiative without any financial support. He commended the idea of integrating environmental sustainability with economic empowerment by promoting the local homestays during the expedition, thereby supporting the local entrepreneurs. The fourth day of BLO training in Leh emphasized door-to-door voter verification, inclusion of overseas voters, and the use of mobile app for data collection. ERO Ghulam Muhammad highlighted the importance of accurate electoral rolls. Certificates were also awarded to 50 participants for their active participation and commitment. DC Leh Romil Singh Donk chaired a District Health Society review meeting, assessing the NHM contract updates and healthcare gaps. Discussions covered the nurse waiting list, village ambulances, leave rules, geothermal heating at SNM Hospital, and staff housing. Donk ordered the agreement revisions and sustainable technical solutions. Officials attended it very widely. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday distributed over 51,000 appointment letters to the youth of the country. He said his government's welfare schemes, be it building over 4 crore houses for the poor, distributing over 10 crore new LPG connections, or the rooftop solar program, have created lakhs of new employment opportunities, and so have a host of the other initiatives that led to the growth of the manufacturing sector. PM Narendra Modi addressing the Rozgar Mela said, Bina Parchi, Bina Kharchi. Lakhs of youth have been employed through such melas, who he said are contributing to the nation's development. He said, India is rapidly progressing towards becoming the world's third largest economy. In the last 11 years, we have made strides across every sector. As per an ILO report, over 90 crore citizens have been brought under the welfare schemes in the past decade.